We're going off-road, way back off the highway.
What is up, guys, and welcome to the Average Jeepers, and we are going to start on Project XJ. And on this one, this is a 2001 XJ 4x4, and he is going to give it to his son.
Yes, I am.
And he got a summer job, so he's going to pay for all these parts. So if you got a stock XJ and you want to watch this thing grow and you want to grow with us with your XJ, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell next to it so you know each time we upload a video on Project XJ.
And give the thumbs up.
Give this video the thumbs up. Alright, Jamie, you want to talk about where you got this, how much you paid for it, and what the plans are for it?
Well, I got it for $500 off Facebook Marketplace. I got it, like 2-3 months ago for my son. Didn't tell him it was going to be his birthday present. And here it is. Yes, Friday was his birthday, and it's Sunday now, and it's his. And he's been running me crazy about getting it running. As you probably see in the other video, we just replaced the CPS. It didn't work.
No, this thing does not run, but it was only $500. You might have seen in another video where we said that he was going to keep it. That was just to throw him off. But yeah, we're going to slowly build this thing up. We're going to make him pay for it all, so he doesn't have a lot of money, so it's going to be a budget build too.
Budget.
So make sure that you subscribe, and let's check this thing out.